If you use a Seestar, you probably experience this situation. You spend 2 or 3 hours capturing a target, you start the data, and the final image looks soft, noisy, or just disappointing. And the big question is always the same. Was my data actually good or not? And even more important, what actually went wrong during the session? Hi everyone, my name is Christian. I'm an astrophotography enthusiast and the developer of Seestar Companion. Today I'm very happy to release version 2.0, which is a major update of the software. Seestar Companion is a desktop tool designed to analyze astrophotography session automatically. Instead of guessing if your data is good or bad, the software analyzes your feeds files and tells you what actually happened during the session. It looks at every frame and evaluates the quality of the data. Let me show you how it works. Let's go to choose sessions. Here we have all Seestar sessions. I will just choose one, I will select, and then it's asking me if I want to choose instead the root, because he knows there are more sessions. I say yes. Here we go. Now, now this software analyzes the entire session and calculates a session quality score that you can see on the top right. Once the analysis is finished, you can see that on the top right here. It also shows the distribution of the frame classified as good, borderline, not good. This gives you an immediate overview of how usable your data really is. But the real power of the version 2.0 is not just the classification. There is much more. There is the diagnostic panel. The biggest improvement in Seestar Companion 2.0 is the new diagnostic system that you can see from here, from this tab, frame diagnostics. The software now explains why a frame is classified as good, borderline, or bad. For example, it can detect satellite trails, clouds of haze, tracking instability, vibrations, gradients in the background, frames with no stars, or corrupted frames. So instead of just giving you a score, I mean only the score, as I said up here, score 100 out of 10, 80, 100 out of 100, the software helps you understand the cause of the problem. So you choose the bad frame. You can also filter them from here. Now those are the all non-good, but you can choose only the bad, only the borderline, or the one reason for satellites, loud haze, vibration, etc., etc. Let's say vibration example. I choose a go vibration, and you can see here you have some information here, very useful, and what's happened. Okay. Also, another big improvement is the new universal fits mode. The software can now analyze any valid fits dataset, not only Seestar sessions. It threads the fits headers automatically and extract the session information from this button up here. So let me choose this one. Let's go here, test. I have some test. We just do cancel. Now it's analyzing. This unknown is not taken by Seestar. Okay. Okay, you can see from here. Now there is nothing here in the diagnostic, because as you can see the frames are 128 and they are all good. The quality presets. So the drop down up here, the quality preset here, you can choose strict, balanced, and permissive, which means this preset basically change how strict the frame classification is. So the engine that will analyze the frames will act more strict or less strict based on what you're going to choose in the quality preset. Okay. Regarding performance, I improved the performance. So I added the progress bar that you already saw before. Let me show you this one. Okay, the analyzing frame progress bar, so you know exactly what is happening, the number of frames analyzed out of the total, percentage, and the estimated time to finish. Also, the frame analysis runs in parallel using multiple CPU threads, which makes the software more fast and, let's say, unlikely will freeze in case of very big data set. There is also a persistent cache, so already analyzed files do not need to be processed again. Let me show you. Now I just analyzed this one, I will move on something else, let's say this one, and then I will move up here. You will see that it's not going to analyze them again because they are already cached. Let me just, and this is persistent, so even if you close the software, you open the software again, you want to analyze the same session, will be already analyzed. We have already the results. You don't need to wait for the analysis again. Like this, you see? Those are already analyzed now as the first one, or those, okay? PDF report. After the analysis, you can generate a PDF session report, which is here, export report. This report summarizes the session quality, frame distribution, and detected issues. It's useful for documentation or if you want to share your results. And this is it. The goal of Seestar Companion is simple. Not just to analyze your data, but to help you understand what really happened during your astrophotography session. If you want to try it, you can find the software at you will find below in the description. I will add the link, which is astroimagingtoolbox.com/Seestar Companion. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to the channel. I will also publish more videos explaining how to improve your astrophotography sessions and how to analyze your data.